From some of our brethren is Susan. Thank you very much. Please remind everybody your name and what God has done for you. You can stand this way.
My name is Susan Hayhawk. I'm an auntie to Apostle. I just want to give a little background to how I'm related to him. I was born in a Christian family to a great man of God called Reverend Damina Bawado, the late Reverend Damina Bawado. I'm the 9th child to this family, and at the moment, currently, there's only 6 of us alive, and I am the 6th living one, and Apostle's mother is the 5th, and that is how we are related. So I grew up, knowing Apostle right from childhood, and he took care of his sisters, my 4 daughters. They grew up together, and it's been a privilege since I moved into England 2001 when I left home, and I've been a churchgoer. I've been a Christian. My father baptized me when I was 12, and that was it. But my life had no change. There was no significant change in my life as a Christian. Like our father used to say, your age grows, but nothing else. It's just your age. So I was stuck in church, doing church activities and things, but my life did not model Christ. I was carnal in every way. I was not letting the word penetrate my life. But when I got hold of his word through my own son, that my life was transformed. My life was transformed. I can't tell stories, so I have shorter time to explain this, but my life has changed. My family used to be a war zone. My husband used to be a sadist. I was a terror in the house. Me was a terror to everyone, to the children and to him. But hearing this man of God, my life transformed. My life changed. Now there's peace, there's joy, there's love. I've been filled with my love. And I just want to encourage my sisters, brothers, our generation, because I was born in the 50s. And church is just what we know. And we think by going to church you are saved. And you're not. Because the word doesn't go through you. The word has really entered my spirit through this great man of God. And through this ministry. And I'm so blessed to have you. My Father in the Lord, I am really grateful for teaching me to love Jesus, seeing Jesus in you, seeing God in you, and living the life that I so much desire to be the child of the Most High. I'm so blessed. Thank you. Thank you.
We give